Hi guys, how are you? I will show you today a video in which I will use a simple BIC pen, black color, okay? I did this because a lot of people still ask me, Luciano, how do you use a pen? What's the technique? Many times I say, don't forget you have to apply the cross etching technique, which is the best one to use the pen. But I also use a pen to make shading and blending, almost like if I had in my head a simple pencil. So this, because it's many years I do it. For you might be a little bit more difficult, but follow the video because I did this type of nice illustration and you will discover everything in the video. Take care and enjoy.
die.